The kidneys and their importance for the human body. The kidneys are vital organs in the form of beans, located in the lumbar region, and play essential functions for the maintenance of homeostasis of the body. About 12 centimeters long, each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons, microscopic structures responsible for filtering the blood. Despite the modest size, the kidneys receive about 20% of the cardiac output, reflecting its importance in systemic regulation. Main functions of the kidneys: blood filtration and waste disposal. The kidneys filter about 180 liters of blood per day, removing toxins such as urea, creatinine, and uric acid, in addition to excess substances, e.g., glucose ions. This process occurs in the glomeruli, structures of the nephrons that retain larger particles, such as proteins, and allow the passage of water and smaller molecules. The filtrate goes to the renal tubules, where there is resorption of nutrients, glucose, amino acids, and secretion of undesirable substances, such as drugs. The result is the production of 1–2 liters of urine per day, which carries with it metabolic waste. Water and electrolyte balance. The kidneys adjust the concentration of urine to maintain an adequate volume of water in the body. In cases of dehydration, they produce concentrated urine, little water. Already in excess of liquid, the urine becomes diluted. In addition, they regulate crucial electrolytes, sodium and potassium, controlled by the hormone aldosterone, which retains sodium and excretes potassium. Calcium and phosphate, managed by active vitamin D, calcitriol, and parathyroid hormone, PTH, essential for bone health. Control of blood pressure. Through the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, SRAA, the kidneys respond to pressure drop by releasing renin. This enzyme triggers the formation of angiotensin II, which causes vasoconstriction and stimulates the release of aldosterone, increasing water and sodium retention. Thus, the kidneys help to keep pressure stable and prevent complications such as hypertension. Production of hormones: erythropoietin, EPO, stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. Kidney deficiency can lead to anemia. Calcitriol, active form of vitamin D, promotes the absorption of calcium in the intestine, strengthening bones and muscles. Acid-base balance. The kidneys maintain blood pH close to 7.4 by excreting hydrogen ions, H, and reabsorbing bicarbonate, HCO. Disturbances in this balance can cause acidosis, low pH, or alkalosis, high pH, affecting cellular and enzymatic functions. Additional functions: glyconeogenesis. They produce glucose from amino acids during prolonged fasting. Hormone metabolism. They degrade insulin and produce prostaglandins, which regulate renal blood flow. Importance of kidneys for health. Kidney failure affects multiple systems. Accumulation of toxins leads to uremia, with symptoms such as fatigue, nausea, and mental confusion. Electrolyte imbalance. Excess potassium, hyperkalemic, can stop the heart. Lack of calcium weakens bones. Uncontrolled hypertension damages blood vessels, increasing risk of stroke and heart failure. Anemia and osteoporosis. Lack of EPO and active vitamin D damage blood and bones. Common kidney diseases: chronic kidney disease, CKD, gradual loss of function associated with diabetes and hypertension. Kidney stones, mineral crystals that cause severe pain and urinary obstruction. Infections, such as pyelonephritis, which damages renal tissues. How to preserve kidney health. Hydration. Drink water regularly to facilitate filtration. Balanced diet. Reduce salt, excess protein, and processed foods. Blood pressure and glucose control. Prevents damage to the renal vessels. Avoid tobacco and alcohol. Reduce blood flow to the kidneys. The kidneys are central to life, acting as filters, chemical regulators, and hormone producers. Its dysfunction not only compromises the excretion of toxins, but also unbalances the whole organism. Caring for them, through healthy habits and medical monitoring, is essential to ensure comprehensive health and longevity.